So you've even been given your own special litter picking trolley, haven't you?
Well, that's... before the other one fell off, it was held together with string and cable ties.
But you're a local celebrity, Eric. Everybody knows you. With your, you and
more
your
people
dog.
know me and I know them, and they say, well, where's the dog? And I say, well, I don't know.
Your dog and your litter picker and your trolley. But you've even been litter picking today without your...
Well, I've just come from the football pitch.
Yeah. And got a few cans and bottles collected.
Yeah.
But so you're not only litter picking, but you're recycling everything you find as well?
Well, where possible.
Yeah.
I mean, when the red bag is full of rubbish, the chicken wagon man picks them up.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, the council come and collect them.
Oh, you know what a chicken wagon is?
The street cleaner.
Yeah, these are the ones who collect the bags. I put them in certain places. But, yeah.
But you enjoy it?
Oh yes. I mean, we stop and talk. But it's enjoyable.
Mm-hmm.
When it's cold, well, we wrap up a bit. And she looks like Google from Magic Roundabout.